Something's stuck. It's myOrganized.Life Live, June 20th, 2019.
Stuck
Get
on
it
you.
stuck. Yeah. What a lame kind of introduction, isn't it?
I was going to start singing, but...
I was stuck. I couldn't think of anything to say.
And I was going to start singing what is that, Lionel Richie?
Lionel Richie? Oh, that would have been a big show blast, wouldn't it?
That's a good song. I
Yeah.
like it. Anyway.
Hi, welcome
Hi.
to myOrganized.Life Live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the
Wow,
show where
this is bad.
we give you organizing tips, advice, and get stuck once in a while.
Yes, we
But
do.
not on Thursdays, because Thursdays is...
Solution Day.
What is Solution Day anyway? They have a
Well,
problem.
They have a problem. We have a solution.
We have a solution. So
or
what
we just
is
like
their
to
problem?
pretend they have a problem.
Actually, it's all a veil for product demo.
Exactly. Because this is our show and we
It's
can
our show. We can do
demo
whatever
what
we
want.
want. That's right.
So today we're talking about self-adhesive poly pockets.
This, working with the MOL store,
Yes.
is a very high-selling product.
Is it?
It's like in the top 10.
Wow. Well, great. And we're going to talk about it.
Isn't that interesting?
Yes. So
Who would have thought a
sticky thing?
little sticky thing?
Yeah, so they can't tell what it is right now, but we have this pack.
Well, why don't you take one out and I'll take it up to
I
the
will take
close-up
it out.
camera. Okay.
Well, first, should we put up the slide?
Let's put up the slide.
All right,
yeah.
the number is 68167 self-adhesive poly pockets. And in this pack comes 3 different sizes.
Oh, this is the assortment
This is
pack.
the assortment pack.
Ooh.
So do you want to hold it up and then I'll open it?
Yes, okay, so this is what the assortment pack looks like.
It comes with, let's see, a total of, can't remember how many.
Yeah, there's a lot.
24 in there?
Yeah, there's quite
There's
a few.
6 sizes of one.
I know. It's one of those like variety
Yes,
packs.
it is. Okay, so we're going to open it. It's going to
Open
get
it up.
really loud.
Okay, there we go. Ooh, it's almost
crunch,
stuck
crunch.
right there.
And look at this.
Ooh, look at that. Various
got
sizes.
Little business card
This
sizes.
is, by the way, is a great one. I'm going
It
to
is.
give a close-up
Okay.
on this one because you can put a business card on anything because we're going to get to that, how you
We've
use
got
them.
this size, which is,
Index
what is
card.
that?
Maybe a little,
4 by 6.
4 by 6. Maybe like
Photo.
a photo. Yeah.
Or the half-page
Ooh.
document size.
This is if you want to like totally
That
do
is
a
if
document.
you get a cute little handout like this
Yes.
and you don't know where to put it.
Well,
oh,
look at that.
how convenient.
Congratulations.
This was just on my desk still. We're not going to read where it's from because
we
that
don't
would
want
show
to.
that I haven't cleaned my desk in a while.
Oh,
so we're not going to show the
dated?
date. Oh, it's very dated.
Hey, look at that. And the
look at
coloring
that.
kind of also,
Fits right in
I'll
there.
hold it like really quick up here. You won't be able to read it that quick. Okay.
And then,
But-
okay.
But what if I wanted to have this like in a folder?
Well,
What would you do?
you would. Well, okay. This is probably not the best example, but we'll just use it anyway.
Yes.
Because you wouldn't really stick this
'Cause you can
congratulations thing in a folder.
But you could stick it on just about anything,
You
right?
could. So what
You
you
would
do
not
is you
be stuck then.
take this backing off.
Ooh.
Super sticky. I mean,
Use that
really
for
sticky.
catching flies.
This isn't going to come off anything. So
Ooh.
be mindful of where you put it.
Okay.
So we're going to stick it
Look
right
at that. Oh my
there.
gosh. What's nice about that it stays securely
It stays
inside
secure.
your folder. It will not go. I'm going to just
Right.
do a quick, again, don't read the copy on this. We're just showing you the fact that this little pocket here, look at that.
Yes.
Isn't that great? It sticks right to the folder.
Exactly. And then
Or
this one,
anything.
look at, I'm going to put my business card.
Ooh, a good
Actually,
use for your business card.
I'm
Maybe
gonna
put
do
it on the
this.
outside.
I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go for,
Ooh,
know,
lower.
I'm going to go present this to somebody. And I think,
You're
I
saying,
should put my
by the
business
way,
card in there.
I found this little flyer that was
Yes.
like 2 years old on my desk.
Not 2 years,
And
a
now
couple
I'm
months.
permanently putting it in a,
There you
look
go.
at that,
And
nice.
it's from me. Isn't that
There's
cool?
Leanne's contact information.
Yeah, contact me, email
okay,
me, do whatever
good,
you
yes.
want.
Send her money. Yes, that would be good, wouldn't it?
Idea, yes.
Are you
So
going to
anyway,
put the other one on? No, we don't need the other one. You
Well-
got to get the point, right?
We kind of get the point. This could be for a picture. So if I wanted to add a
Ooh,
picture
if you want
of
to put
myself,
your picture,
look
you've
at
got
that.
your business card and the fact that you forgot something from 2 years ago.
And you know, I got a
Whoa.
headshot taken yesterday at a
You did?
seminar I was at.
Really? Are
So
you
if
going
I
to
got that,
update all your social media profiles?
we'll see how the picture turns out. I
Is
don't
it one of those glamour shots?
No, they were a legit company. like,
Really? Okay, good.
So anyway, there's another
Nice.
pocket added.
Well,
Put stuff
this
in
this totally gets you unstuck by sticking
Right.
one of these. You pick your size because we'll put the slide up for this. This is the I call it the assortment pack. I don't know
Okay,
what if that's what-
self-adhesive poly pockets.
Yeah, and the number is 68167. You can use these on all kinds of things. You know,
You know
one-
this. Oh.
No, go ahead. I bet you're going to say the same
this
thing.
This is a great one. This little one for plastic storage bins. If they're not
I was
clear.
going to say the exact thing. We were thinking the
yeah, we
exact
were.
same. No, I
That's
seriously
not-
was.
I
I was going to
believe
say,
you.
a lot of organizers love doing that. They like putting the plastic bins, and then boom.
Label it, and then you can just change
And then
out.
if you change it out,
Yep.
right?
Yes, exactly.
Yes. And another one, the big one might be good for, you take the lid off that big bin, and you put this on there, and then maybe you have an inventory what's in there.
Ooh.
So you don't have to dig around. You can say, oh yeah, oh that's right.
That's
This
a really
is
good
bin
idea.
number 4.
Gosh, I should have done that for my
We have all
organization.
kinds of solutions that will unstick you.
Yes.
Guess what's
Exactly.
even better?
Right now, these are 25% off. Is that what you're going to say?
That is a segue, yes, into the myOrganized.Life
There's only a few days
summer
left.
sale. There is,
What's
yeah.
the date today? The 20th?
It's
Today's the
20th.
20th, so there's 10 days left.
10 days left, ends June 30th, but you can get 25% off everything in the store. This is our
Yes.
annual sale, everything 25% off, so load up on it. So you can get these nice
And you can put a name tag in
self-adhesive
here?
poly pockets. Yes, you could do name tags. Yeah, look, that would be really good. Go, I think you should do that on your headshot too.
might.
Anyway, but in order to get 25% off, you need FB Hot 25. You put that in a little coupon code when you
myOrganized.Life.
check out over at
cart.
myOrganized.Life. Yeah.
Yep.
So get over there, stack up.
Stack up and stock up.
Stock up. That's what I meant to say. Yeah.
Stack up your
Stock
folders
up
and
and get
stock up
unstuck.
on these. There you go.
Because now
These
you
are
have a
little
great
products.
solution. That is,
And
again.
this is an open pack, which means, what are we going to do with them?
I bet
some home?
we'll take some home. I guess
them on your
people around
bins?
the department here
They
will
might need some.
want to use them, or we could put them in the all new
Oh,
storage.
we should see this. We should have done it before. Why didn't we do it before and after?
Oh, we should
Ah,
have
we're
done that.
dumb.
How to organize your studio, because we had all these samples from Solution Day
It
piled
was
up
a
from
mess,
about like a
'cause
year. It was like all over.
We just take them and toss them back
Yeah.
there.
So I
And
found a cabinet,
a new
that was
cabinet.
not used in the building here. Our great friend Larry brought it in, and then I organized it.
Why didn't we do a before
You were
and
gone
after?
that day.
I was. Why didn't we do it a before and after?
We should have done that. Oh well.
Gosh, we're an organizing
Maybe-
show and we don't even
That
think
could have
about,
been great
about it.
content.
I know. Would have been a great Instagram slide. You
Oh,
know,
well.
speaking of, that just fell. Shauna Turner
Yeah.
and Ellen, our buddies
all
we follow.
our buddies.
They all do before and afters on
Yeah,
Instagram.
yeah.
That's fine.
Actually, some organizers don't like to do before and
I
after
know they
because
don't.
they think it's, client privilege or whatever. So
Well,
I,
these
you
are
know,
pretty, you
I
can't
think it's
tell
fun
what.
to see the transformation,
Oh,
don't
it's
you?
awesome, yeah.
And
for
I
sure.
think you were pretty shocked. You walk and you go,
Oh, I
whoa,
said,
you did
oh
some
my
work.
gosh, you
What
cleaned.
happened?"
You actually did work while I was gone.
Yes, because we had this war going on who was going to clean up the mess, and neither of us wanted to do it, right?
Yep,
So-
exactly.
Okay, well then
Alrighty.
tomorrow is Friday.
Which means
it
it's
is your favorite show. Blogger Roundup.
Yeah.
and
yes, I have started the blogs.
Good.
And I have actually found all 3.
You've already got it done on a Thursday?
On a Thursday, I've got time.
Wow.
I was here extra early today,
Yeah,
so I
maybe
got some
tomorrow
time.
morning you'll have some coffee. No, you don't drink coffee, so
don't drink coffee.
you won't be lounging in late.
No.
And it's probably going to be raining all weekend here, right?
I hope not.
So we can't sit out on the patio because there's nothing to
I
do.
hope not. Don't say that. We're supposed to go to a friend's cabin, and I
Oh,
don't want it to
really?
be rainy. It was rainy last year for the cabin.
Oh, that's life.
Ay.
Okay.
Anyway,
well,
okay. We'll
tomorrow,
talk about that
Blogger
tomorrow.
Roundup. That's
Yes.
2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific. And right back here on Facebook, it's myOrganized.Life live. It's the summer sale at myOrganized.Life with 25% off office products like file folders, hanging folders, accordion files, and presentation products. You can get it at myOrganized.Life. That's myOrganized.Life. 25% off all products. It's our summer sale at myOrganized.Life.